Ever wondered how those ancient kings managed to keep 100 wives? I mean, it's tough enough to handle just 2 wives these days, especially when it comes to the bedroom. Satisfying and fulfilling her needs is a significant achievement, right? So what made those ancient kings so powerful and strong? Why were they known for their vitality and virility? Now, you all know, throughout history, kings and emperors were known for their legendary virility. Many of them had harems with dozens, if not hundreds, of wives. Their secret? According to an article I found, it all comes down to their diet, especially their breakfast. A diet rich in specific foods that boosted their sexual health and energy levels. In this video, I'm going to reveal what those kings who had numerous wives ate for breakfast to maintain their stamina and long-lasting erections. First thing is eggs. So the interesting thing is, they prepare them in the poached form. Indeed, eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, and poached eggs are one of the healthiest ways to prepare them. Let's quickly overview how and why they are particularly beneficial for men's sexual health. First of all, high-quality protein. Protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, which is vital for maintaining overall physical fitness as well as stamina. Second, most important, L-arginine. Now, eggs contain L-arginine, an amino acid that boosts nitric oxide levels in the body, improving blood flow to the penis and enhancing erections. Now, if you've seen some of videos on erections, you must know by now that how much nitric oxide is essential for erections. Still, if you want to know more about L-arginine, check out this video. Alright, so next reason is cholesterol. Cholesterol is basically the backbone of all hormones. It is deeply connected with the testosterone levels. Higher testosterone levels are associated with increased libido and improved erectile function. Eggs are also a good source of vitamin D, vitamin B5 and B6. These vitamins help balance hormone levels, reduce stress, and are linked to improved sexual function. Alright, so why poached eggs? While eggs can be prepared in various ways, poached eggs have distinct advantages for men's health. Number 1. Poaching eggs requires no added fats or oils, making them a healthier option compared to fried or scrambled eggs. 2. Poaching helps retain more nutrients compared to other cooking methods that might involve high heat and oil. 3. Poached eggs are gentle on the digestive system, making it easier for your body to absorb and utilize the nutrients. There are much more. But I'm going to save your time and moving towards next segment. Okay, so how to poach the perfect egg? Well, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer. Add a tablespoon of vinegar to help the egg whites coagulate. Then, crack an egg into a small bowl. Stir the water to create a gentle whirlpool and carefully slide the egg into the center. Let the egg cook for about 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set, but the yolk remains runny. And lastly, gently remove the poached egg with a slotted spoon and serve immediately. Okay, so this is the one thing that you need to incorporate in your breakfast every morning. Now, in that article, I found some ingredients that ancient kings used to eat for breakfast, but there wasn't a specific recipe, just a list of foods they consumed. So I turned to a book I have called Diet for Great Sex by Christine, and I found a recipe that includes all these ingredients and can be easily incorporated into breakfast. So first, I'm going to share all the ingredients with a quick explanation of each, and then I'll walk you through the recipe. Alright, so first one is unsweetened cocoa powder. It's because it contains flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that improve blood flow and reduce inflammation. Second, it contains theobromine, which is a natural stimulant found in cocoa that enhances energy and mood, and improves blood flow by relaxing blood vessels. Third, it's also rich in zinc, which is essential for testosterone production and overall sexual health, and it also contains significant amount of magnesium. And as you all know, magnesium is vital for muscle relaxation and improved blood circulation. It also helps regulate testosterone levels. Research in the Journal of Sexual Medicine demonstrated that men who consumed dark chocolate, which is high in cocoa, reported better erectile function. Alright, so the next one is Ceylon cinnamon. Now, cinnamon is a powerful ally for your sexual health. It contains cinnamaldehyde, which again contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Polyphenols along with cinnamaldehyde improves nitric oxide production, which relaxes blood vessels and enhances blood flow to the penis. Okay, so the next thing is Maca root. Maca root is known for its ability to enhance libido, improve energy levels, and balance hormones, making it a great addition to this recipe. Some studies suggest that maca root can help with erectile dysfunction. A 2009 study found that men with mild ED, who took 2.4 grams of maca root per day for 12 weeks, experienced a more significant increase in sexual well-being than those who took a placebo. Another 2015 study found that maca root helped reduce sexual dysfunction in postmenopausal women taking antidepressants. So, this is something very good for women as well. And then comes the honey. There are many benefits of honey. You can't even imagine how great this thing is. But I'm going to save your time, and in short, honey not only sweetens the drink naturally, but also boosts energy and contains antioxidants that support not only sexual health, but overall health. And lastly, there is chili flakes, which is optional, if you can handle spice. But I recommend you add them, because it contains capsaicin, which boosts metabolism and enhances endorphin release, contributing to better mood and performance. Okay, so time to prepare. Fill your mug with hot water or warmed coconut milk if you prefer a creamy texture, just like you would when making tea. 1 to 2 tablespoons depending on your taste, 1 teaspoon, about 2 grams of maca root extract, 1 teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Add a bit more if you like it sweeter. If you can handle a bit of spice, add half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper or red chilies. Mix everything until the cocoa powder has dissolved, and then enjoy your drink. Okay, so I'd recommend to enjoy poached eggs with spinach. Serve poached eggs over a bed of sautéed spinach for an iron-rich, nutrient-dense break fast, and then, after that, enjoy this drink. So give it a try for at least 4 to 5 weeks and feel the difference. Alright, so right after breakfast, these ancient kings would immediately eat fruits like berries, bananas, and citrus fruits. They mainly chose fruits with high water content, which helped keep them hydrated. Isn't that fascinating? I think it's a simple yet powerful habit that contributed to their overall vitality and well-being. Eating fruits right after breakfast is generally healthy and can provide numerous benefits. However, listen to your body and see how it responds. If you experience any digestive discomfort, consider adjusting the timing of your fruit intake. Overall, incorporating fruits into your diet, whether after breakfast or at another time, is a great way to enhance your overall nutrition. So, thanks for watching. Share this recipe with someone who could benefit from these powerful ingredients. Until next time, stay healthy and vibrant.